Oh my goodness. I could cut somebody with that.
Today's episode is brought to you by Stila. Shop their collection at Sephora now. Hi, you guys ready?
I'm so excited. Beauty Trippin'.
Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Trippin'. I am super excited.
Me too.
I love a three-person beauty trippin'.
I know. Okay, are you guys ready? I feel very powerful with this iPad.
You are very powerful.
You hold the future in your hands.
I have the clue.
Okay.
Get ready to steal a look.
Okay.
Get ready
I like
to
that.
steal a look.
Get ready to steal a look.
Steal is spelled like Stila. S-T-I-L-A. Steal a look.
Like the cosmetics company?
Like the makeup brand, yeah.
Okay.
Address?
Yeah.
Sephora. We have a shopping list.
What?
Okay.
This is monumental.
Wait, so we get to go shopping?
We get to go shopping.
Wait,
We're
how
going
big
to
is the
Sephora.
list?
There's like 1, 2, 3. There's like 8 things on here.
Oh my gosh. Wait, what is
What-
like
yeah, what do we have to
specific
get?
items?
Okay, suede shade liquid eyeshadow.
Ooh.
Glitter and glow liquid eyeshadow. Stay all day waterproof liquid eyeliner. Okay, if this is with Stila, I really love their liquid eyeliner.
Yes.
And we need to get it in white, black, and jade.
Ooh.
Magnum XXX mascara.
What?
Magnum.
Magnum lashes.
Wait a minute.
We need to get Stay All Day liquid lipstick.
Okay.
Beauty Boss lip gloss.
Nice.
These are cute as heck names.
Yeah. This
Right.
is so exciting.
I'm
Okay.
very excited. Just the fact that we actually get to go into Sephora with the company card and just
I know.
we have to buy it. It says it right there. We have a
Emphasis
shopping
on
list.
with the company card.
I don't know what we did to deserve this, but I'm like not gonna complain and not
We're
mad
not
about it.
worthy.
You know what? We are worthy of this.
All right, you guys, we have almost made it to Sephora. We're walking up right now. How are you guys feeling? I feel like it's like the first day of school or something.
I
have like
seriously,
butterflies.
I don't know what to expect. I mean, we know that we're getting the makeup, but like after that, like,
I mean,
what?
Do we get to play?
We have the list. We're about to be kids in a candy store.
Yes.
We're gonna get some good Stila products.
I don't know why I'm like nervous.
I just want all of it.
They're so beautiful.
Look how fun these eyeliners are too. I love the white.
And the white was on our shopping list. Speaking of our shopping list, remember we have a shopping list. This is going to be impossible for us to stick to the shopping list. Can we do this? Can we do this without a shopping list?
Breathe.
Maybe we accidentally like dropped some things in the bag.
Yeah.
That wasn't on the shopping list.
Yeah. No one's gonna know.
So I'm just going to... Hey, you got to stick to the list.
Do I, or can I just get
put
extra?
it in. Put it in. This nice purple, like I love a good like pop of color for fall because like everything's so gray, you know?
True.
You need something like...
You guys, side note, this color lipstick was my favorite growing up. It's called Patina.
It's a
Huge impact on my life.
Yeah, I'm gonna need one of these too.
I know.
Throw it in the bag. Just throw it in the bag.
Honestly, I have no idea what comes next after this, but that was really fun. All I know is that we have to go back to the office.
All I know is that we have a bag full of makeup.
What a hard
That's all that matters.
Can I hold it with you?
Yes, you can.
Brian!
Hi,
Oh
how's
my
it
gosh!
going? Good to see you. Hi.
This is a good sign.
What are we doing?
So, are you guys ready? Thanks to Stila, I'm gonna be recreating New York Fashion Week look. Yes. Excited?
That is the best news ever.
Bold eyes, graphic liners, very luminous skin. So I picked my favorite 3
Yay.
that we're actually gonna recreate. So
Oh my
gosh,
gosh,
I'm
I'm
so excited.
so
you guys
excited.
ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I love this. Yellow's so cute. All of these are so good.
Fashion is one thing, but makeup is a whole new accessory. So we're gonna, it kind of elevates your look, you
Yeah.
know? So just like a simple, like eye with a pop of color, you know? It's
love
super
that.
Oh, I
easy.
love
I love that so much. Like really seriously, because all you saw this year was these bright, crazy looks.
Yeah.
And I love what you said about it being an accessory.
Right. But you're so right because I feel like this was the first year that we've seen like out there looks in makeup on any sort of huge fashion runway.
Yes.
And I love though that like with the bold two-toned eye, they're doing like a kind of a neutral, dewy lip.
And what I love about the skin is just simple and flawless.
That's a huge trend, very, very minimal normal skin, you know, just very luminous, that looks really, really natural.
Okay, honestly, Bryan, I think you're gonna be so proud of us because we went in at Sephora. We bought a bunch of makeup.
Most importantly, who gets to do what look?
Yeah.
Okay, do you guys want to pick or do you want me to pick for you guys?
Ooh, I don't know. It's a lot of pressure.
It is a lot of pressure.
Let's
I kind
see.
of want you to pick, to be honest.
Yeah, agreed.
Okay.
Agreed.
So let's see. I think for you, I would do this card.
That's the one I wanted.
Yeah, really? I love it.
Are you gonna pick the one I wanted?
Perfect.
So these are pretty intense, bold looks, but we're gonna make them wearable, so do not be intimidated. Madeleine, you're up first.
Yay!
So first things first, I'm gonna give you a makeup wipe and you're gonna wipe off your makeup.
Ooh, raw.
So Stila sent us their Hiding Chic foundation. There's 30 shades, so we're gonna get you color matched.
Ooh.
Oh, fun.
That's always something I have a really hard time finding in foundations, the exact colors.
Oh,
so
yeah.
I'm happy about this.
It's a true art form.
Really.
It really is. Plus, like every brand now is also like adding so many more shades, which is
great.
a great thing.
Yeah.
I'm 5 different shades throughout the year. I can't
Am I a
help
different
it.
person right now? I'm really revealing
I don't know what
myself.
you're talking about. You have
You
such great
literally
skin.
like you look the same all
You
the
look like a
time.
porcelain doll.
It's like ridiculous.
Oh my God,
Your
you
skin's
guys.
perfect.
You
You're
wipe
using
your-
one makeup wipe.
Wait, and
I know,
and the fact
seriously.
that she can take the makeup wipe over her eyebrow and it doesn't disappear, like,
To be
mine.
fair,
All right, well, Madeleine, you're definitely in good hands with Bryan here. We're gonna let you guys do what you gotta do, and
Yeah.
we'll be back in a little bit to check on you.
Yeah, we can't wait to see the transformation.
I'm so excited.
Stay tuned.
okay, bye. I'm gonna be a
Supermodel.
supermodel. Yeah, get out of here.
Supermodel.
So let's start matching you. I'm thinking the shade for you, this is light 4. So it's just right in between the coloring of your tan and your complexion. So a fun fact about this foundation, there's actually botanicals that help energize the skin.
Ooh, I love the sound of that. I'm feeling very energized.
I feel like we need to go darker.
Yeah, this tan is strong.
I'm really loving this foundation on you. It has a natural satin finish. So Madeleine, I've matched you with light medium 1.
Ooh.
So we're gonna start with a primer. And this is actually gonna help with color correcting.
It actually feels really nice.
So I love this watercolor effect on the eye. So we're gonna recreate that with some more wearable colors that you can wear to like an event or like a party.
I love that blue, like silver. Do we have something like that?
We have something similar to it. That we're gonna do that, and we're gonna use some more like neutral colors, but it's still gonna give you that 2-tone eye look.
Amazing.
I love the applicator. It slides on so smoothly and evenly, and it's fully pigmented in one swipe.
The texture of it on my eye actually feels really nice.
It's super like creamy, you know? It actually has a velvety matte finish that's gonna be wearable and super long wearing for the day.
I like that it's glossy. It's not like tacky and sticky like most are.
Stop it right now.
Oh my gosh, you look so good. I love it.
Bryan, you killed this. The colors look bomb.
Skin looks amazing.
Serve the face. Okay, that's great.
Wait.
Yes.
Wait.
Okay, so good.
Okay, I need my moment. So you had yours, and
Yeah,
Bryan
fine.
absolutely killed it, but
She means move.
I mean, get out of here. It's my
Look
turn.
at our faces and look at yours.
I'm
It's not
passing.
okay.
I'm passing the baton.
All right, we're out of here. We'll let you guys get to work.
Thank
Hurry
you.
up because I'm gonna feel extra worse once Jackie is done.
You'll
okay?
have your turn. You'll have your
Okay,
turn.
bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Good
Let's
luck.
get started.
Ooh, I got the. Ooh, oh, here we go. It's not official until. Wait a minute.
Are you ready for your look?
I'm ready.
We're gonna do this big bold liner. but
Okay.
We're gonna do it in blue
Ooh.
to complement your skin better. You know?
Okay.
So there's 2 things happening in this look. Really bold eye and really pretty clean skin. So first we gotta get this makeup off and start with a blank slate.
Oh my gosh, Bryan. I cannot believe he's taking my eyebrows off on camera. We discussed this prior. Like, don't take off the eyebrows. And he just wiped it away. It's gone. I am on the internet with one eyebrow on and one eyebrow off. This is so embarrassing.
I like the camera. So this is the Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and I love it because it's so easy to use and it's fully pigmented.
And you don't get all that glitter in your eye like those other ones.
The model has a glossy lip, so we're actually gonna use a shimmer liquid lipstick. This is the Stay All Day liquid lipstick,
Ooh, I love that.
which is amazing because it's gonna give you the glow, but it's gonna be long lasting.
long lasting after, you hang out with your man. You need something that's gonna stay on.
And why is that? I love these because it has a nice shimmer to it, but it dries matte.
which is crazy. Shimmer and matte together normally isn't a thing.
Okie dokie, you are finished.
I'm done?
Yeah. Are you ready to see this?
I'm so ready.
Take a look.
Okay. Holy, oh my goodness. I could cut somebody with that.
Oh my gosh.
This looks so good.
How did you get it so perfectly?
Because he's Ryan.
It's because of the applicator on the liquid eyeshadow.
That is incredible. It literally looks like it took like hours.
And what I love the most too is that the glitter in it isn't falling all over my face. It stays right here.
Yeah.
And it's so vibrant.
I love it so much that I want to get it done too. So I think you guys should leave now.
Yeah, it's your turn. I can't wait to see your look. Okay, see you later.
Make me a star.
This is the look we're doing for you.
I love it so much.
Yes, super easy eye. It's the wash of color with like a really defined white line that makes this like from 1 to like a 10. you know?
And it's kind of edgy, which is like speaking to my soul.
I love this look, but to be completely honest, I don't love the yellow.
It's not very fall color either.
Yeah, so let's do like a soft pink
Okay.
and white.
All right, well, I'll see you guys in like an hour. This is so long this is gonna take.
So let's get you color matched.
Okay, I'm ready. For somebody who like has like acne like I do, that comes and goes, you wanna be able to have something that's light and it has like a really liquidy texture, so I know that it's buildable.
I kind of love this color. This is the medium 5.
Okay, noted. This is the right color,
Yeah.
right?
So good.
How did you know? It's like you're like a professional or something.
I had a vision, you know? So we're gonna prime your skin.
Okay. Ooh, it's like rainbow.
Yes, it's actually 3 colors that help color correct. 3
That's good.
pigments, yeah.
That's good because like that's like the thing that I've had in my skin for like ever. You know, it's actually runs in my family and it's hyperpigmentation and it's just like I have a lot of colors happening at all times. But I will say this feels like really nice too.
It's so good. And it's like a double-sided tape for your foundation.
Ooh, I like that. Oh wow, that's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Did you put foundation on this side or no?
No.
That's just the primer?
No, that's good, right?
Yeah, that's like really good.
So we're gonna be using the Suede Shade Liquid Eyeshadow on you. It's super long wear and transfer proof.
Oh, nice.
So I'm obviously using a brush because I'm a makeup artist, but you can actually use your fingers. It's a great product when you are on the go or just want to do a quick eye.
Yeah, like when you just don't have a ton of time to sit there and do your eye makeup.
So we have the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is one of my favorite ones.
Oh my gosh. I love this because you can tell just based on the applicator that you can do either a really precise thin line or you can do something big and dramatic with the same pen because it goes from thick to thin. I'm just so excited. All right, I'll give it back to you now.
You're done. You ready to see it?
Yes, I'm so excited. Okay. Yes.
You're
Oh my God, I
obsessed.
love it. No, I love it so much. This is so nice.
I love this look. It's simple but impactful.
I know, it's amazing. It's like, where are we going tonight?
Girl.
Jeez.
Right?
Oh my gosh.
I love this white swoop.
I know.
Is that one of the liquid liners?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it looks really good.
Stay all day, honey.
Honestly, so dope.
I know.
I love it so much.
And perfect like little cream pink eye.
And it just took so like quick.
Looking at all 3 of us, we all have completely different looks. Brian, you absolutely killed this.
I know.
Really
And
good.
seriously, thank you so much to Stila for sponsoring today's video. All of the things that we use today are going to be linked in the description below.
Amen. That means that you guys can definitely steal our looks, you know, if you want to, because now we know we can totally do this at home. So tag us in your pictures and of course hit the comments, let us know what your favorite looks were. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks again to Stila for sponsoring this episode. Shop it in store or online at Sephora.com. And then you guys can click right over here for another brand new Clevver style video. And of course, hit the subscribe button, which is somewhere right over here. Bye.